Let us stop glamorizing content creation. Even if you are building a brand or you're a creator yourself, consistency will not help you grow, but this will. I say this even though I sell content as a service. When you start, you will feel like nobody is watching you. But here are 5 things that you can do as a brand or a creator, even if you're just starting out. Number 1, give people access to what happens behind the scenes so that people know how you deliver your product or service. This will help people trust you. Number 2, give people free step by step guides as to how you achieved something as a brand or a creator. If your advice works, people will know you know what you're talking about. Number 3, share verifiable proof that your product or service works. This will create credibility. Number 4, be honest about your journey, including your failures. People follow people, not brands. Number 5, and the most important one, judge your content by the business it brings, not by views. A post might not go viral, but it can land you $1,000 clients. This is compounding in public. Most people quit even before they experience it.